Hey, this is Bishop. You ready for some slot play? Let's go.
Amazing. I was actually about to change the bet because I wasn't getting anything on it. And the returns were small. So, oh well. That's okay. $37 more on a 50-cent bet, guys. These numbers are on a 50-cent bet. Cannot argue with that. Yeah, just keep slapping them in. Slap them all in. Put all 4 of them in at once. That would work. You might actually hear me scream. And what do we get? My counter over here is now counting up really quickly. Let it count. Let it count. No. Let it count. That's not nice. That wasn't too bad either. All right. Okay, we'll come back for the next one. Okay, so this one took us down quite a bit. And we're going to see if we can actually get something back on this bonus. There it is, a minor. Goodness gracious. Come on, give us something to go with it. There we go. I need a little bit more coffee. Thank you. Come on. Oh my goodness. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Good for you. Tell me something nice here. Come on, you can do it. Just one. No, I'm not looking at anything special, although I'd like it. Come on. All right. What do we have? Nice comeback on that 100 that we've been playing from the pandas. So let's see what we can do next. screen of tigers. $2 bet, but that's cool. About $100, I think. That's pretty neat. 2 of 6. Wonder what happens if you get all tigers. I don't think I've ever seen anybody get all tigers, but it sounds like a good idea anyway. There's $133. That's nice. What else are we gonna get? There's another set of tigers. Like that. 9s and cranes. Okay, I can go for that. Very nice. Very, very nice. Let's see what we got here. Alright, we're over $200. Definitely a double. And there's... Alright, now we got 2. So whenever that means we're going to get 1 the next time. Oh no, we're going to get a blocker. Oh, that sucks. That's cool. Yeah, $236 on a $2 bet. Yeah, I'll take that every day of the week.
Hey slot friends, this is Bishop from Bishop and 10K Slots. Thanks for watching this video. I know we sound like broken records, but you liking this video and subscribing to our channel makes YouTube provide more views for others who may not have seen us. We really like recording and putting our videos on YouTube, so with your help we can continue to do more. Thank you again for liking and subscribing.